Among South Indians, there is a peculiar habit they have. Anything happens, haven't you noticed? You know what it signifies? Chhod do yaar. It doesn't matter. Seriously. Actually, it means several things. You say something outstanding, they appreciate it. You say something absolutely stupid, the sound is the same. It means different things. So like that, when you're objective, you just say, somebody comes and says, you know what he did? He divorced his wife. You know what she said about you? That you're evil. That's the attitude you should have. What difference does it make? And then life is fun. It's like having an in-house soap opera going on constantly. So that's the thing. Chapter 3, verse 19 says, when you understand all of this, how will you act?
Tasmadasaktah satatam karyam karma samachara asakto yacharan karma paramapnoti purushaha.
Brilliant verse. Tasmat, therefore, asakta satatam karyam karma samachara. Therefore, always perform obligatory actions without attachment. One who acts without attachment attains the supreme. Oh, what classic verse. You learn it if you're serious about self-improvement. Learn this by heart and remind yourself every day. Tasmat, therefore, asakta, without attachment. Satatam, always. Do what? Karyam karma. Perform your obligations. One who acts without attachment attains the supreme. So, the first thing is, whatever you do in life, in the world, don't be attached to it. How not to get attached? Again, you can't detach yourself from anything. You can only attach yourself to something higher. Higher means what? Atman. Why? Because you must understand everything in the world passes. It's temporary, impermanent, not worth running after or having. It has come to you, savor it as long as it's there. When it goes, say goodbye, finished, that's it. But act wholeheartedly. This is the difficulty, If you act in a slipshod manner and without attachment, you're a tamasic person. If you act wholeheartedly with attachment, you're a rajasic person. Act as if your life depends on it, knowing fully well it doesn't matter. That is sattva. That is chapter 3, verse 19. You live that, you become a beauty of a person. Irrespective of what your externals are, inner beauty you attain. And do not depend on the fruit. Why? Fruit is beyond your control. Find fulfillment in the action. Then you will be happy irrespective of the result. You don't even get a bronze medal, but you've done your best. You will come back celebrating. Otherwise, you get a silver, you still come back crying. No? And then your desires for the world drop.